Roderick Rodenburg, CEO and one of the founders of Roseman Labs. We've built a solution for organizations to collaborate on sensitive data without the need to share data amongst each other. And you can use this in all types of use cases where sensitive data, like personal information, is being processed for the general purpose.
Okay, so what can you do with that solution or technology?
For instance, if you want to set up a collaboration between various hospitals to analyze who has the best treatment method for COVID. Normally, you would send this information to a central trusted party that runs the analysis on the data. But with our solution, the data remains at the hospitals, and the algorithm travels actually across the hospitals. And this dramatically lowers the barrier to set up such a collaboration, so you can achieve results much faster without giving away the privacy of the data and the people that are basically in this data.
And how do I know it is secure? I mean, what makes your solution special that I can trust that it is secure?
Yeah, it's a specific type of cryptography where you can mathematically prove that data is inaccessible to humans because it's scattered and split amongst various databases, but you can still run computations on it. And these computations, they need to be approved by the data owners. So if a data owner doesn't agree with a certain analysis on their data, the analysis cannot take place. And the data always remains in the blind.
Okay. And what's your background? Why did you think that this technology with your expertise and your team would make a good fit for a company and the market?
Yeah, our CTO Nick, he achieved a breakthrough in this technology because the basis of the technology is almost 30 years old, but it was always not performant, not robust enough to use it in production applications. And he came with a new technology that is much more performant and that suddenly makes it usable in practical situations with big data feeds and in very sensitive environments. So he saw the potential of the technology, and basically we started to build a team around that and to research what are the areas where this technology builds most of the value, which are in very sensitive cases like healthcare or, for instance, the law enforcement domain, fighting cybersecurity. We're working on fighting human trafficking, for instance, where the positioning, the information position is very sensitive, but suddenly parties can collaborate to catch the bad guys more effectively.
Okay. And we're here at the CES Unveiled in Amsterdam. You're going to go to CES Las Vegas as well. Why is this important to you? What does this platform offer you? And what are you hoping to get out of it?
Well, it's very important for us to get in touch with possible customers or possible applications. But moreover, CES Las Vegas attracts the most relevant technology companies in the world. And we're really a collaboration company. Our software is basically used in other software products and other tech products. And we want to get in touch with these companies to discuss how this technology adds value or how they look at applying these kinds of technologies in practice.
Okay, so who are you hoping to meet specifically? Companies or government or investors, all of them?
No, in particularly companies like Intel, Apple, Nvidia, and also indeed public sector organizations.
Okay, well, thank you very much.